All right, let's make a keyboard today. It's only 3 things: keychron board, switches, and some caps. Let's jump into it. Alrighty, so a quick interjection here, guys. When you're putting in the switches, make sure that you correct the pins and make sure they're not bent like I'm doing here. So it's like bent like that. Make sure to unbend it before you put it in the socket, and then it's gonna be all good. That way you don't break anything. Alright guys, quick lesson on making sure that you're also selecting keycaps and switches that are compatible. Alright, so whenever you're choosing switches and you're selecting keycaps, you have to make sure that this stem right here is the same as the stem on the switch. So you see that they're obviously both little X's. So the way that different switches work is that different switches have different activation pressures, right? So sometimes a switch is gonna make you feel like you have to press really hard for it to register as a click. But there are some switches which have much lighter activation, so even if you rest your finger on it, it activates.